Yes, welcome back. This is Monsieur Pierre again, and this time we're going to learn about the French alphabet. Actually, the alphabet, but how do we pronounce them in French? So now, as you see here on the board, I have the alphabets in French. Now, it is the same way we write it in English as well, but the pronunciation is what differs. All right. So now I'm going to walk you through on how to pronounce the alphabet in French. It is super easy. So just follow my lead. All right. So now the first letter is A. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Voilà l'alphabet en français. Now that is how we pronounce the alphabet in French. Now I'm going to take you through that again so you can get the pronunciation correctly. Alright? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now that's the alphabet in French. Drop a comment on any of the alphabet that's difficult for you to pronounce. Anyone you have a challenge with, drop a comment and let me know how we can resolve the problem. See you in the next video. Merci.